everyone. I'm Johnsy Philip from Kerala. I'm a teacher working in an ICC school. Uh, I got the opportunity to attend the workshop, Managing Emotional Behavioural Disorder, conducted by Jhumur Chattopadhyay, ma'am. Ma'am, it was really very interesting and informative. And I loved the way you explained things. Like it is all in my brain, I've got it everything. Then another thing is that interactive part. Really, it was really good. You gave the chance to interact. You gave the chance to everyone to interact. That is the best thing, and I just loved it. And what I want to say is whatever you gave me today. I mean, I got to learn a lot, and which I'm going to apply in my classrooms. I could improve myself a lot. And I'm really very much grateful to you. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.